Hey, what is up guys? This is Chris and I'm back with more Everyday RC and my Arrma Talion. That's right. For those of you that follow along with the channel, I'm sure you're very familiar with this truck. This is my original version 1 Arrma Talion. I've done a bunch of upgrades to it. Most recently I painted a new body, so for those of you that follow along, I'm sure you're familiar with the Blood for Blood themed body that I did here, which I think came out really good. And I wanted to share a new product I received for it recently. Once again, for those of you that follow along with the channel know that I use the product from a company called Dusty Motors, and they make shrouds for your RC vehicles that protect them from a range of different elements, from water, dust, dirt, sand, mud, anything you could throw at your truck, they will protect it. And they come in canisters such as this, as you can see, keep it clean. And this is the shroud I received for it. And I thought that the red shroud went perfectly along with the Blood for Blood theme, so that's why I asked for it. And you'll receive them in these canisters such as this, as you can see. And as you can see, these are very, very fine quality, and they've been tailor fit to whatever vehicle you want. So this one's specifically made for the Arrma Talion or Kraton. And you can see that it's made of a breathable mesh that really protects your vehicle from a lot of different elements. They come in these canisters. They supply you with the necessary Velcro that you'll receive on the inside there, and some stickers, as you can see. And I wanted to install it on my truck and show you how to do that. So let's remove the body real quick. And as you can see, this is the Blood for Blood theme. And real quick, I'll just go over the truck, what I've done to it so far. As you know, I'm always running the Arrma Talion on 6S. So these are dual 3S MAXAMPS batteries. They are 5450 milliamp. They're 11.1 volt, and they are true 120C batteries. So these are some monstrous batteries that really puts a ton of power through the system. And as you can see, I soldered my Castle connectors, which I like to use. And you're probably noticing these awesome chassis braces. These are billet aluminum chassis braces from a company called GKA Customs. I definitely suggest looking into those. And I also have here from another company that makes hop-ups for the Arrma Talion or Kraton, is a company called Voltage Hobbies. They make the steering servo mount that definitely stiffens up the steering on this truck, because as you know, the original plastic one does a lot of flex. And I received two other products from Voltage Hobbies. These are the front and rear aluminum skid plates here, which have really worked well on the truck, and I'm very happy with those. And I'm also using an RC SKINZ vinyl chassis protector that has definitely helped with this chassis. And these are just a generic rear drive shaft protector. If you look them up on eBay, that's what they're described as. Just look up rear drive shaft protectors for the Arrma Talion or Kraton. And that's about it for the hop-ups that I've done. So I want to install the Dusty Motor Shroud. And as you can see, I've already installed my Velcro here. And really all you're going to need is a pair of scissors, and you want to use some rubbing alcohol. And you just want to take some rubbing alcohol. As you can see, look at all the grease, because I do spray all my vehicles down when I'm done using them with some kind of silicone spray, and that just protects all the plastics, keep it looking new. So I removed all the silicone spray or any oils from the plastic parts that you're going to be installing the Velcro on. And I cut my Velcro to fit, and you're going to want to run one piece of Velcro along the side of the chassis here, along the side of your battery tray, and along the back of the chassis. And you're going to want to do the same thing on the other side, almost similar. You're going to want to run your Velcro around the side of the chassis here, and then you're going to tuck the rest of it underneath the motor and the wires right there, and then you're going to adhere it to the back of the chassis as well. So let me get it installed, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Once you have your Velcro installed, you're basically just going to stick it to your Velcro. So I'll try and do this without stepping in front of the camera too much. And basically, it's just very straightforward. Once you have everything, once you have your Velcro in place, it's just going to go on super easy, super easy. And there you go. One side is completed. So let's flip it around and I'll show you this side. Very, very easy. And let me tell you, these things work great. Once you have these installed, feel free to go out and drive in any kind of conditions. So like I said, this part will be tucked under, and I'm going to get that completed. And there you go. There it is installed. And this side just has to get tucked under. You can see right here, you're basically going to tuck that right under, and it fits really, really nice right in there. Just like so. And that's pretty much it. Stretch it over, and look at that protection you get. It's really, really nice. Really, really nice. As you can see, it fits like a glove. It's tailored fit for the vehicle, and I'm really happy with it. And as you can see, once it's installed, you have your zipper, which is a very nice feature. Very nice feature. You're able to access your batteries, no problem at all. So you can swap out your batteries, do what you need to do while the shroud is on the vehicle. And that's about it. So I'm really happy with how this looks. Let's check out how it looks with the body on, because we are running the red theme here with the Blood for Blood body that I recently painted. And it looks excellent on there. So that's about it for today, guys. I just wanted to share this with you. If you haven't already, go check out Dusty Motors for all their products. They really make some top quality products, and they're all about keeping your RCs clean and free of dust and debris. So I hope you guys are all making it happen in your RC worlds out there. And for now, this is Chris, the Everyday RC Guy, saying thanks for watching. Make it happen.